Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's tutorial because I want to start doing something a little bit different. I want to start introducing more wearable and neutral looks into my channel. I love intricate, bright and colorful looks and glam and smoky eyes, but I also want to make sure that I have looks that are wearable, and I know that a lot of people tend to go for more natural glam versus glam. So I think that every other video that I'm going to be uploading will be a more neutral look or more wearable, and then the other upload will be something a little bit more intricate and colorful and glam. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments below, if you like that mixture of different types of techniques and looks, and if there are any types of looks that you want to see, please leave them down below in the comments because I want to create content that you guys actually want to see. So today I'm going to be showing you this soft neutral eye with this Foxy liner. I'm obsessed with this eyeliner technique. It just makes your eyes look so nice and sexy and foxy. And if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Love in London eyeshadow palette. The first shade I'm going into is Scone. Starting with my Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush, I'm going to run this shadow through my crease. This is going to be my transition shade just to make sure the other shadows are blendable. You're barely going to see this shadow, but I like to layer my shadows. I think it adds more dimension. And then I always like to apply a transition shade because I feel like it makes the other shadows that I apply through my crease more blendable. I'm now going into Cheers. Now switching over to my E25 blending brush, I'm going to start applying this through my crease. I love this shadow so much. Just such a nice crease shade. And then to really elongate the eye, I'm just going from the outer corner of my lid all the way up towards the tail of my brow, not obviously touching it, just blending that up and then back into the crease to create a nice winged out shape. And then just picking up more of the shadow on my brush and just packing this all over my lid, we're just going to create a nice soft smoky eye. And then going back into the E38 just to diffuse everything. I'm going into the Kaja Beauty Bento Bouncy Shimmer Eyeshadow in Rose Water, and I'm picking up the first shade. So I'm picking up the tiniest amount of the shadow just because I want it to be kind of just a little bit of reflect and sparkle, nothing too intense, just something that's going to nicely catch the light, make our eyes glisten a little bit. For my liner, I'm going into Crumpet. With my EO 6 wing liner brush, I'm going to create the line towards the tail of my brow. And then going back from that line, I'm going to stop that halfway on my lid. And then I'm going to fill this in. And then I'm going to create my inner corner just to give me that nice foxy eye. Now picking up Cheeky. And then with my F70 concealer brush, I'm going to highlight just above the inner liner. I'm picking up the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in 0. And then I'm going to line my upper waterline. I'm going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to the Ardell Foam Ink Demi Wispies. And that's the eye look done. For my lips, the first lipstick I'm going into is the Ofra Liquid Lipstick in Harbor. And I'm just going to apply this all over my lips. Okay, so I am honestly loving this lipstick on its own, but I do want to add a little bit of spice in the middle just to brighten it up and make my lips look a little more plump. So I'm going to go into the Ofra Liquid Lipstick in Revive and just apply that in the center and pat that out. And that is it. This is the completed look of my soft neutral foxy eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am obsessed with this technique of liner. I love it so much, and I tend to always do my liners with shadows. I just find it a little bit easier, so if you're struggling, use a shadow because if you mess up, you can just wipe it away. It's so much easier than using a liquid or gel, and if you're going for that softer feel, using a brown shadow is definitely going to tone down your liner and not make it so intense like a black will. And I am getting major 90s vibes for my lip, and I am obsessed. I love it so much. I think this is my first time ever trying the Harbor shade, which is that darker shade that I applied first, and I love it so much. I feel like I'm going to keep wearing it so much more often now because I was obsessed with that. So if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'll be down in the description box, and also lists of all the products that I used today along with my brush soap Sigma that I used to create this look will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload, and I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!